Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I am doing an Alina Craft Design Team project and we're featuring these two dies right here. These are the winter gloves and I have an example right here. I did post this on Instagram. And also we are going to put together also the skates that you see there on the right. And I love this and it is super easy. It takes a little bit longer if you're going to do the lace, but it's totally worth it in my opinion because it just looks so much nicer, just more beautiful that way. Okay, so let's start our tutorial. So here I have my supplies. You are going to need some sequins, snowflakes from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And you're also going to need some pom-poms, pink or white. Then also some trim for your lace. And you're going to cut that about 14.5 inches, I think is what I cut it. And then we're going to layer the pieces. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gluing, obviously, the bottom piece, which is 110-pound cardstock, and then you're going to layer your foiled cardstock. And then here is the layering piece. But before I layer this, I decided this time around I'm going to go ahead and put the holes in with my crocodile. And this will just allow you to put the lace or the ribbon much easier. And let's go ahead and mark it. I'm marking it with a pencil, so hopefully you guys can see it better. And then we're also gonna create another hole on the top, which I'll show you in a little bit. But go ahead and use your crocodile to poke all the holes and just try to get it to line up as much as you can. But that's why we marked it, and I love using this hand crocodile. I do have the other one, which is the big bite, but this one I can see where I'm putting the holes, and that's why I decided to use this one. So go ahead and punch out all your holes like I'm doing here, and then at the very tip top you want to go ahead and punch out another one so you can put your string, because this is going to be a tag. Okay, and now you can put your layering piece, and as you can see, the holes line up. It's not like super perfect, but it doesn't have to be, because remember, we're going to put the lace or the in my case it's ribbon. And then go ahead and put the bottom part of the shoe or the skate. Now I don't know if you noticed, but on the skate here it's white on the background because I did add another layering piece, but I omitted it this time around. Starting from the back, you're going to go ahead and string it through the hole, and then you are going to put it over the edge and then pull it from the front again. So does that make sense? So basically your pattern is under and then over and then under and over. So I hope you can follow me here. And it might be easier to use some tweezers. So as you can see, I did switch to that. This is the part that does take a little bit longer because you are having to string your ribbon through every single hole. Except for the top one. You're not going to do the top one because then you're going to use a different string. Or you can use the same, but it's going to be a separate string for the, to hang your ornament or hang your tag. And then go ahead and glue that. And I'm just using my art glitter glue here. But you'll see I also use the other Fabri-Tac. And as you can see, the rest of the ribbon piece, you can create your bow. So that's what I did there. And I'm just punching that hole again because I realized I covered it up when I put the layering piece. And then here you can just use what I did, which is eyelash trim that has these fun iridescent eyelash on it. And then this is actually not craft glue, but Fabri-Tac. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on there so it attaches to that eyelash trim a little bit better than the art glitter glue. And then here you can go ahead and put your pom-poms, but I didn't have the tiny pom-poms that had the glitter on it, or the, you know what I mean, the sparkly one. So I just will go ahead and just put regular pom-poms. So here now we're going to go ahead and put our gloves together. So I'm just starting off with the cuff part of the glove with the little pom-poms on it. And I'm, of course, keeping it white. So I'm putting the white over the pink just to give it some stability, just to make it thicker. And just keep in mind, one is going to be opposite the other when you're doing this, okay? Because it is a set of gloves. Here I just punched out silver foil, and that's just gonna go behind. As you can see here, I glued that on behind the pink layer, and that'll just you know, give it a little extra so you can see the pattern a little bit better. Then go ahead and place this, and here's the second one. And as you can see, when I place the cuff on these, I do put it a little bit different than my example. But I don't know, I don't think it really matters. It just depends on how you want the pom-poms dangling, you know, like down or up. It depends on how you're going to hang it, I guess, where you're going to put the hole for the to string the tag. So it's really up to you. I don't think there's any right or wrong, actually. Okay, and then I'm adding the snowflakes, and I forgot to talk about it, but I did, as you saw me, I did put the little pom-poms. And these are, I love these sequins. These are from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, because Alina Craft doesn't have these pretty pink sequins snowflakes. At least I don't think she has it in the shop. And that's it, we're done. So I hope you liked my project for today and you were able to follow along. Thanks for watching.